The Republic of Bashkortostan. Bashkortostan is a territory in the southern Urals and in Cis Urals, named after its native people, Bashkirs. It is one of the largest republics of the Russian Federation in terms of population and land area. Due to its location in the center of Russia, Bashkortostan has a developed transport infrastructure, highway system, railways, pipelines, airports, passenger and freight train stations. The transport network of Bashkortostan provides not only intrastate but also heavy transit flows of freights and passengers from the Asian part of Russia into the European and back, connecting the republic with the larger centers in Russia and CIS. Due to the abundance of natural mineral resources, the republic has become one of the major oil-producing regions of Russia and the center of chemical industry. More than 30 major petrochemical enterprises are located in Bashkortostan. The main branches of mechanical engineering in the Republic of Bashkortostan are aircraft engines and helicopters, transport and equipment for petrochemical industry. The main goal of innovative field development is to increase the share of innovative production of the Republic enterprises up to 30% by 2020. Almost 70% of shipped innovative production is production for manufacturing. Over the past few years, a sufficient number of science parks, business incubators, centers of technology transfer, and industrial parks have been created. The priority directions of innovative development are aircraft and transport systems, rational environmental management, energy conservation, etc. Light industry is represented in the region by clothing, leather and footwear, leather goods and textiles. Various types of fox leather and no-wovens are being produced. Production of terry fabrics has been developed. Textile and clothing industry in Bashkortostan is represented by 14 large and mid-sized companies. The abundance of natural resources in Bashkortostan allowed for a development of sustainable agriculture. Over 40% of total population is rural. Agricultural land accounts for more than 7 million hectares, of which 5 million hectares are arable. The main directions of agriculture in the Republic are crop production and animal husbandry. The traditional livestock industries such as cattle breeding, sheep breeding, goat breeding and poultry breeding are developed in the Republic. The education system in the Republic of Bashkortostan includes more than 4,000 educational institutions. A lot of attention in the Republic is given to saving and increasing cultural heritage. Today, 12 theaters, 98 museums, 1,753 libraries and the Film Studio Bashkortostan operate in the Republic. Development strategy up 2020 with a total investment of 297.75 billion rubles and creation of more than 20,000 new jobs includes the implementation of an innovative model of economy and modernization of existing enterprises. In order to improve the regional investment policy, the legislation on capital investment activity in the Republic of Bashkortostan has been adopted. The law provides for forms of government support to enterprises implementing investment projects in the Republic of Bashkortostan. Bashkortostan government attaches great importance to relations with all foreign countries. A unified system of fringe benefits has been developed for foreign investors.